Uuwi ako ngayon ng Bulacan. Kasi Holy Week and today's Thursday. Um, Lahat nakabakasyon na. Hinihinaan ko yung boses ko kasi it's 4 a.m. and tulog pa yung mga kapitbahay. And usually, nagkakarinigan dito. So, kailangan hinaan ko yung boses ko. So, ayan, babiyahe na ako papuntang Bulacan. Actually, hindi pa tapos mag-aayos pa ako ng mga pipit-pitin ko, yung iba kong labahin. Iuuwi ko muna. Tapos, yung mga kailangan ko kasi bale, 4 na araw ako doon. Mag-work from home ako ngayong gabi at saka sa Biyernes. Tapos, Sabado-Linggo.
Life, we don't know what it is, so I'm asking why. We just spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate. It's a life. When the button is too big, you love to find. When you realize what's wrong with paradise, to get there, you need to earn it every day. True. You gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view. Let it feel the front of your soul. And all the stress and pain you start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. Do it on my own. Try. Never sucker from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified. But someday you have to turn the wheel again. True. You gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view. Letting you feel the flow of your soul. And all the stress and pain you start to go.
Na ako sa Bulacan and super init. So yun na nga, hindi ko na ako. Nandito ako sa Payag. Kubo in Bisaya is Payag. Payag is a small house. So ayan. Kubo lang pero ang init pa din. Payag ni Lola. So yun na, pagdating ko sa terminal, sobrang blockbuster. Kala mo may concert doon. Sobrang haba ng pila, tapos nagkakainitan pa kasi yung mga, let's say for example, kailangan talaga may etiquette na ipa-follow kapag pipila sa terminal eh. Kailangan kung malaking grupo kayo, halimbawa 10 kayo na uuwi ng probinsya from Manila, tapos gusto nyo magpahinga kasi halimbawa may iiwan kayo na isang tao sa pila, sana wag kayong aalis lahat kasi pag balik nyo, aakalain ng mga tao sumisingit kayo. Kaya kanina ganun yung nangyari, nagkakainitan kasi may ganyan, may isang grupo na ewan ko, may iniwan silang isang tao sa pila, tapos umalis sila, bumili sa Jollibee. Pagbalik nila, galit na yung mga tao kasi akala sumisingit sila.
Somebody told me not to hope to find the woman of my kind. I don't give a damn you're talking to a man.